Who keeps clogging the toilet? Who keeps clogging the toilet? Watch how he look over once and don't say nothing. Okay. So I'm taking matters in my own hands, grabbing some dish soap, pouring it down the toilet drain. Then I let that sit for about 15 minutes. And during the 15 minutes, I usually put on a pot of hot boiling water and let that sit for about 10 minutes so it's not too hot, because you can crack the toilet. So this is me just grabbing the pot off of the stove with a towel, of course, to make sure you protect your hands because it is hot water. And I go ahead and pour that hot water down the toilet drain and give it a couple plunges. And then once you plunge it, it should be all good to go. And then after that, I just kind of take my homemade cleaning spray and I go ahead and just spray down the toilet. Of course, making sure I grab some gloves. And then I wipe it down and scrub it and just make sure that everything is all clean, shiny, and disinfected.